How to fix Siri not working on iPhone without internet. So literally, if you just say, "Hey Siri, what's the time?"
It's 8:36 a.m.
Now you can see I have my internet here connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's say I choose to put my iPhone on airplane mode. Then you can see airplane mode is enabled. Now I'm going to communicate with Siri now. "Hey Siri, good morning.
Good morning.
What's today's date?"
It's Monday, November 18th, 2024.
Then you can see that's to tell you that my Siri is working without the internet connection. So I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this in this video. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix Siri not working on iPhone without internet, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once open the settings app, whether you're using iOS 18 or iOS 17, this works. On iOS 18, click on Siri. On iOS 17 or earlier, click on Siri and search. Then make sure you turn on Talk to Siri and choose either Siri or Hey Siri. Then turn on Press Side button for Siri. So just configure your Siri as you want it. Once you've configured that, then go ahead and turn on your internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once that is turned on, then you want to wait on this page for a couple of minutes. And if you couldn't, just exit the page. And then make sure your network or cellular data is turned on to connect to the internet. After some days, so this might take days before Siri will be able to communicate with you without the internet. So after some days, your iPhone will download the data or files needed for Siri to work offline. And once it's downloaded, you can now start communicating with Siri without internet. Siri, when am I going to see you again?
I couldn't find the alarm you asked for.
All right, thank you.
Of course.
So you see that? So that shows you can actually use Siri without internet. So that is basically how to fix Siri is not working on iPhone without internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.